Da 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 da. Hello, this is Good Day YouTube. Our very first guest today is Luella, who is a 5-year-old from, where are you from?
New Jersey.
That's nice. Okay, so our first question for you, Luella, is what do you believe the state of the economy is at this point in 2010?
Shit and down.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand that. Can you please repeat your...
Shit and down.
Ah, so it's shitty and it's going down. Yeah, it's a very valid opinion. No, it's shitty, it's going down. So our second question today is, do you believe that BP Oil, the company, is responsible for the oil spill and the many deaths of animals and wildlife? No. And for what reason?
Birds!
Okay. Birds? So birds are responsible for the BP oil spill? Right. I never thought of it that way, to tell you the truth. Our third question, out of the 5, is, do you like chicken better? No, you're not understanding my question. Do you like chicken better or pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza? What do you like on your pizza?
Sauce.
Wow, amazing. Now I'm just going to discuss this very, very important and just ultimately amazing opinion of Luella. Right now we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back with more questions.
Rice Krispies, snack, crackle, pop. You could win a free DSI. I thought this thing was fake! I win! Woo!
Haha! I bet you didn't think I was there. Okay, we're back with our guest Luella. We got 2 more questions for today. For her, of course. So, my second to last question for you, Luella, is do you enjoy school? No. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Teacher.
You want to be a teacher? But you don't like school. So you want to be a teacher of the school, and you want to torture little kids who, like you, did not like school.
Yeah.
Okay. So our final question for today is, do you get toilet paper up or down?
Down.
Down? Pull it down. Thank you, Luella! Yeah, go! Woo! Well, that was our first guest for today, and our last. That's all for today's show, everybody. Thank you for supporting us and looking at us. Subscribe to whatever channel this is, because we don't know yet. And
Comment. Don't forget to comment.
right. And don't forget to comment right down here about how retarded I am and how no one likes me. Hand me the guitar, boys! Ah! My okay, whatever. So the 1, 2, 3, 4. What the heck is that? Is that a flashlight? Turn that. Get it out of my face!
Your eyes turn gray.
It's not funny.
Rice Krispies, snack, crackle, pop. You could win a free DSI.